You're staring him down. Hey Molly's, I'm on my lunch break and this weather is horrible. It's not raining yet, but it's getting ready to. It's so dark outside. Work's going good. I got my check. So ready to put that in the bank and get prepared for our move. We're gonna be moving soon. Okay, go ahead. I hate driving in Lafayette. People are crazy. But yeah. So I'm on lunch. I'm head home and take care of Zach. He needs to go outside and eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed him and head back to work. Hi, baby. Hi, Muffin. Hi. You ready to go outside in the rain? No, you're not ready. Let's see if I can do this. I probably won't be able to get him. Ready? He's like, I'm gonna go back in the house. Come on, you gotta go potty. Go. No, you can't pee right here. Come on. Come on, inside. Come on. He's trying to walk under the umbrella with me. Come on, baby, walk. Come on, get you a towel. Because you're going to start wiping yourself all over the place. Come on. All right. Come. Try out. There we go. Come here, let me help you. Go there. Go. Go try yourself. Hungry. You're staring him down. Morning. I'm supposed to help you here. I took a picture. Okay.
Hey, good afternoon, Motley's. Kind of a dreary, rainy afternoon. Very bad storm earlier, thank God. For safe travel on the way home from work. Going to my parents for a little get together with my grandparents and my parents. Baby, first lady, she's gonna be coming over a little bit later, so we'll see how it goes with the rain. Because I'm not gonna record a lot with the rain and protect the camera, so let's see. I'm gonna go inside.
His baby sister Jules. Oh, look at that little John. Hey, baby. Go say hi to Motley's. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hello.
her saying of hello, so. And we are grilling. What are we?
And then we have some steaks.
Yeah.
We want you to eat all of the sausage.
Oh no, I don't think I could eat all that. But
He's filming
what y'all think of that weather today?
It was scary. How many you brought? Plenty.
Plus we got some inside.
Oh no, I have plenty.
It's Jules, me new.
Who's here? Say hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube.
Maybe your ears not,
Jules,
your body's not,
look at the camera. Look up here. Look at the camera. Back on cam. Don't look at me like that.
did you get T-bone?
She's cute. Full edition. Part 4.
Oh, that was sweet.
Hello. Eight in the corner. Yeah, technically, basically. So our summer break is there, so yeah. Going to get some shots of this amazing looking ribeye T-bone steak. I guess ribeye T-bone. Huh. He did fit it on there. Holy cow, that's good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That's gonna be good. We got a router problem. Let's go check this out. This big old thing right here, that's not the...
On the back side, the land router.
The neck gear.
Yes.
Okay.
On the back. There's a high cord.
Right here. I've never seen so many wires for one
Hold on,
thing.
let me look. Hold on.
Oh, something came out. What would it be?
You can pull that, just put that up right here.
This? Oh, you gonna knock that over. That's what people call mollies. Big old plug for that.
Look, there's an on-off switch. Push it back. It should be on. Maybe not.
No. How y'all doing? Alright, cool. Dang it. See where she's at. Oh, I was about to put this up there. Oh. You're on YouTube right now. No. Oh, you're not a speaker though, but you know. Okay, you're on speaker now. But all right, but I was dialing you and I was putting the camera up to my ear and I'm like, oh no, I gotta put the phone up to my ear, not the camera. I'm tripping, Motley. Sorry, it's been a long day. So, but I'll see you in a few. Everything's finished. All right, I'm gonna let you go. So, I love you. Love you. All right, see you in a few. Bye-bye. Peace out, Motleys.